Hi friends, this is Manish Khanna and today I'm going to be showing you my personal favorite from my childhood, which is the fruit cake. So today I'm going to be showing you an eggless one, and it's super yummy and super tasty, and let's get started. The Britannia style fruit cake, we will be using melted butter, flour, baking powder and baking soda, condensed milk, orange juice and tutti frutti. In the flour, I will add the baking powder, the baking soda and mix this properly so that both of them are mixed well into the flour, and I will just keep this aside. In a bowl, I will take the melted butter, to which I will add the condensed milk and start mixing this till it is well mixed. I will take the flour, I will put the full tutti frutti into the flour and also move it around. The reason why I am doing this is because the tutti frutti will get coated with the flour and they will not sink in the batter. Condensed milk and the butter mixture is mixed well. To this I will add the flour and all of the orange juice and then mix this around till we have a proper smooth batter. I've taken an 8-inch square tin which I have greased and lined with butter paper. I will put the batter inside this. Just spread it so that it's even, and this will go into a preheated 180 degrees oven for about 30 to 35 minutes till it's done. The fruity cake has come out of the oven, and as you can see, it is done well and it's super soft. It's smelling also divine. Now we will unmold it and slice it. I have unmolded the cake and now I will just slice it up. As you can see, just see the texture of the cake. It's exactly like the eggless slice cake that we get in the market, and it is super soft and it's super yummy too.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को और प्रेस कीजिए बेल आइकन ताकि हम लाते रहें आपके लिए सिंपल बेकिंग रेसिपीज।